Yes po, opo, ma'am, opo. Sige po, asikasuhin po namin by Monday. Yes po, opo. Sige po, nasa ano lang kami mamaya pa, ano po kasi yung tatawag ako. Sige po, yes po. Salamat po, asikasuhin namin. Thank you po. Ayun yung mga nangyayari araw-araw ano tayo nagsosolve ng mga problema sa site, sa mga customer natin na may concern.
I'd like to introduce myself. I don't believe that we have ever met. I think that we could hit it off so well. Let me paint a picture, you and me together. I'd like to introduce myself. I don't believe that we have ever met. I think that we could hit it off so well. Let me paint a picture, you and me together. I was doing fine, I was doing alright. Yeah, I was trying to mind my business when I saw the light.
8 years ng Curl Eliza. Christmas party namin ngayon 2025. Sa Curl Eliza, hindi lang kami basta company. Isang pamilya na may pakialam sa isa't isa.
It won't stop pulling me.
Para sa akin, sa lahat, ito yung masasabi kong pinakamasarap na kumpanya na napuntahan ko. Kasi hindi ko naranasan dito yung mga may hirap, pero pagkatapos ng hirap, sabay-sabay pa rin naming pinagkakasunduan ng lahat, nasusolve ng mga problema.
Hopefully na maging fruitful next year, maging projektibo yung mga tao, saka maraming more project kami.
I think that we could hit it off so well. Let me paint a picture, you and me together.
So 2018 from now, 2025, so 8 years na siya. So that 8 years, medyo malayo na ang kanyang narrative. From one employee that is Molye, siyang unang-una niyang kasama, until now kasama pa rin niya. Praying na lumaki pa ang Curl kasi na ngayon nasa I think 40 employees na sila.
It won't stop pulling me. Yeah, it takes me where it wants to
The backbone of this company is our employees. So we want to give them this kind of experience para din magsikap sila in the future pa.
so well. Let me paint a picture, you and me together. I'd like to introduce myself.
Our first time na ganitong experience, okay? Napakaganda. Isa siguro to sa mga unforgettable memory na ano namin. Kaya cheers!
I'd like to introduce myself. I'd like to introduce myself.